Thank you. Okay, very good. Turn around. We've got, who's going to take the covers off for us? Okay, come on, mate, jump in. Fast game's a good game. All right, let's turn around and tell us a little bit about what we have here as the covers come off. So I've got Aidan here. How are you, mate? Good, thank you. Okay, very good. Turn around. We've got, who's going to take the covers off for us? Okay, come on, mate, jump in. Fast game's a good game. All right, let's turn around and tell us a little bit about what we have here as the covers come off a beautiful Valiant HELLCAT Charger. How about a round of applause for this? How good does that look? Okay, mate, tell us a little bit about the build.
19 years in the making, so beat this guy. Yeah, it's obviously E49 Big Tank replica and chosen to go with a great Hellcat.
Okay, I always love to ask as well, whereabouts did you get the car and how long have you had it? There's a story behind that as well.
Yeah, 06 is when I bought it off my next door neighbour, and it was just a paddock car, and yeah, it's taken a long time.
So you were about 18 and this was your car that you drove around in?
Oh, basically 3 months to rego, a couple of drives, and then yeah, that was in the shed.
So once it's in the shed, what was the original plan? I mean, did you see this or it just went from one thing to another like they usually do?
No, it was going to be a pretty mild 360 stroker sort of build. Never thought it would get like this, but in 2017 when Mopar released the engine as a crate motor, it was the one to go for.
Okay, that's where it moved from. Let's swing the camera around and have a look at it. You can talk us through it. So we haven't got the bonnet up at the moment, but what's under there, and then just give us a run through.
Hellcat engine, running a Forced Induction Interchiller, Tremec 6-speed, and 9-inch on the rear end, and a sequential shifter, S1 sequential shifter.
Beautiful as you stand back at it now, that just looks amazing. You can see the Hemi in there as well. What was the most difficult part of the build?
Probably trying to have a crack at the paint and panel.
You had to go with that yourself, did you?
Yeah, I tried.
Well, that was a mistake, wasn't it?
Absolutely. Travis, Warehouse 27 and the team. Immaculate job. Everything you see there is airbrushed. None of that's decals. All of the logos, all the decals, it's all airbrushed.
Beautiful, and when we stand back now and it's under lights and it's beautifully presented, what do you love about it?
Oh, the engine. Yeah, the one from the supercharger, when you give it to it, it's got exhaust cutouts. It's mean, it's angry. So yeah, it's the best thing.
Right, so you've had it out driving it around.
I've done maybe 10 metres in it. Yeah.
10 metres, well, let's hope that you get more than 10 metres once we get it out of here after the weekend. Mate, this is an incredible build. Very quickly, people to thank.
Wife. Samantha.
Almost we got an A. Gorgeous dog. It is beautiful, and we're going to stand here and look at this for hours. But we've got to move on to the next unveil.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it.